GNC RC back once again with another video. This is an unboxing video. This is from RC4WD. I ordered this on Friday and they told me it takes about 3 to 5 days for processing. But today is Thursday. That was pretty fast. I did priority mailing, so we got it in 3 days. I'm gonna go ahead and open it. So I got you guys on live waiting. I'm pretty sure everybody know what it is. I know Jay, you definitely know what it is. A few stickers in the box also. Alright. We're gonna get this thing unboxed. If I can find what I did with my blade. As you can see, it is tiny. Tiny, tiny, tiny. I'm gonna keep my comments to myself. I think I may have jumped the gun, but I think it's gonna be a cool little project for the channel. I did notice some of the parts are very expensive, but I do know, like Jay was telling me, these parts from this company are expensive anyway. I think the first thing I'm gonna do is change out the electronics. I'm thinking a lizard, and then of course the stock motor. I don't know if that motor is the same size as the ones we would use in the SDXC 24s. Like I say, it is tiny. Need something to cut that. Tiny, guys. Let me show it to you. Whoa, okay, so never mind. That motor is way smaller than the SDXC 24s. The radio, I don't know. That radio look like, I don't know, something out of, I'll keep those comments to myself too. But I'm not going to keep that, I'm not going to use that radio for sure. We got a bunch of other stuff in here. Let's see what all we have here. Battery. It's like a 320 milliamp hour. I'm sure you guys have seen that also. I think this is called a JST connector, which I'm gonna change that out to what I'm using on my SDXC 24s. I think it's the PH 2.0 or something like that. You got the batteries for the radio, of course. Upgraded motor. Charger, which I know everybody, if you've been dealing with the SDXC 24s, everybody got a ton of these. Some more Velcro. And I think that's for the mirrors. Stickers for the mirrors. But yeah, guys, this thing is tiny, 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 tiny. I guess it's scale, but I mean, it is tiny. Now, the one thing I did notice on this, I think they should have did differently. They should have backed that paint. So, I mean, you can see right through this thing. It's not bad, but, you know, I think they should have backed that. And I'm going to see, can I back it with some silver maybe? I don't know. I love the body. The first thing I'm thinking about doing is changing out the ESC to the lizard. And I just ordered another SR215 Spectrum receiver. So that's something I'm going to be doing pretty soon. This thing it's tiny, guys. That's all. I just wanted to unbox this thing with you guys. Make sure you do follow the YouTube page, GNC RC. That way you can see the video of this. And that's not for the people on YouTube, because I'm actually filming on 2 different devices, guys. 3 different devices. And the Instagram also, GNC RC space, or is underscore RC. GNC space, GNC underscore RC. I'm sorry. Link is in the description also. So guys, on Instagram, let me know what you think. And YouTube, also let me know what you think in the comments below. We gotta have a bunch of videos coming soon. We're gonna see what we can do with this thing.